Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve spirally traversing a matrix program. The task is given a matrix MAT of size m by n. Traverse and print the matrix in spiral form. Input output, I will explain with example. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases are 2. In every test case we take the two lines. First line having two values. First one is the number of rows, second one is the number of columns. The second line, the details of the elements in the matrix, like this. Same way, remaining test cases also. Output is, by observing this first test case, this is the matrix form. We need to print the values by in the way of this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 15, 14, 13, 9, 5, 6, 7, 11, 10. This way. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. For test cases, I am taking the t variable. I am take the values. Take a value of t. To execute all test cases using while loop with t minus minus. In that, take the two. See this. Take the two values m and n. Those are rows and columns. Take the values rows and columns. Then create a matrix with m is the rows, taking 10 because this limit is up to 10. So take the 10. Then using two for loops, I am taking the values in the matrix form like this. This takes the values as a matrix form. Why? This is the columns are 0, 1, 2, 3 and rows are 0, 1, 2, 3. In this form, we take the matrix. To print the in spiral form, I am using a function spiral form and passing 5 parameters. One is address of array and the lower limit upper limit of rows and lower limit upper limit of columns 0 m minus 1 0 n minus 1. See this. This is a spiral form function. These are the values. Taking int limits of lower limit of row is I1, upper limit is I2, and columns lower limit is J1, upper limit is J2. So matrix A. This I1 equal to I2, J1 equal to J2 executes when the given matrix is other than square matrix. This will happen. If it is square, just this else block will execute. See this. This is a square matrix. So this block will execute int I comma j. Taking the two variable, I takes the lower limit I1 and j takes the lower limit of columns j1. So we are at I value j value is 0 0. Then it executes while j less than or equal to j2. j2 is upper limit of columns. It is 3. And printing a of ij and j value increments. J initially 0 0 0. So 1 print. Then j value increments 0 1, 2 prints 0 2, 0 3. Then this way 1 2 3 4 will print. Then j value reaches 4, but j2 is 3. 4 less than or equal to 3 is false. Then while stops execution, I value increments. I value comes to the 1. J value decrements 4 to 3. Then this while block executes. I less than or equal to I2. Hence I is 1 now, less than or equal to 3. Then printing a of ij, I value increments. This is means 1 3 8 prints. Then 2, 3, 12 prints. 3, 3, 16 prints. Then I value reaches 4. 4 less than or equal to 3 is false. Then this while loop stops execution. I decrements, j decrements. So j is reached to 2, I is reached to 3. We are at this 3 column, 2 column and last row this. Then j is moving, j greater than or equal to j1. j1 is 0. j is 2 now. See out a of ij, j decrements. I is 3. 3, 2. 15 prints, j decrements. 3, 1. 14 prints, j decrements. 3, 0. 13 prints, j decrements to -1. Then -1 is greater than or equal to 0, false. While loop stops execution. I decrements. I comes to 2. J increments. -1 to 0. Columns and row. Then while loops I greater than or equal to I1 plus 1. Up to 1. I1 is 0 plus 1 is 1. So up to 1. I value is 2 now. 2 greater than or equal to 1. True. Then this output. Say out a of ij. 2, 0. 2, 0, 9 prints. I decrements. 1, 0. 5 prints. I decrements. That is became 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0. 0, 1. 0 greater than or equal to 1 is false. So comes out. We are completed one loop. Then check this condition. I1 plus 1. Nothing but we need to move from left side row lower limit and decrement the upper limit by 1. Check this condition. When this is true, nothing but we need not to print any elements in the row. When j1 lower limit increment by 1 and upper limit decremented by 1. When this is happens greater than j1 plus 1 is greater than j2 minus 1, there is no column elements is need to print. Just return if it is happened. Otherwise, else block. Spiral form, pass the values, array address and increment the lower limit by 1, decrement the upper limit I2 minus 1, increment the upper limit of column j1 plus 1, decrement the upper limit of column by 1 j2 minus 1. Then we take this middle 1. So this is also square matrix. Then once again this block else block will execute in the same way previously happens. Otherwise, other than the square, there is a chance to I1 equal to I2 or J1 equal to J2. When I1 is equal to J2, just traveling the J1 up to J2. While J1 less than or equal to J2, just print the A of I1, J1 and J1 incremented to up to J2 in the same way and returns. This is the ending. Else if J1 equal to J2, then we need to move in the row wise. I1 less than or equal to I2, I1 incremented up to I2, then prints those elements and just returns. That is ending. This is the code to solve this task. It is right or not by checking the compile test. See, this is only one test case. This is the one. By seeing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 15, 14, 13, 9, 5, 6, 7, 11, 10. It is true. Then submit. Yes, it's correct answer with the execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.